Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by ensuring the device won't die mid-update, so plug in or confirm at least 20% battery. Next, open Settings and navigate to Update and Security, because that centralizes patches and drivers. Click Check for updates to discover both cumulative security packages and optional feature updates. The system will list downloads. Once you see results, allow downloading to start automatically or choose specific updates to install. Since selective installs avoid large feature upgrades when you only need security fixes. Once downloads begin, monitor progress and pause or resume if your network is busy, because large updates can consume significant bandwidth. Review optional updates carefully. Drivers and feature packs can improve hardware compatibility but sometimes introduce issues. Prioritize quality and security roll-ups. If multiple devices share your network, configure delivery optimization to limit peer-to-peer usage and set a monthly upload cap. This reduces surprises while keeping updates timely. Make sure to let critical security patches finish before installing non-essential feature packs. Install available updates and choose either schedule restart for a convenient window or restart now if ready, because some updates require a reboot to finalize system file replacement. After the restart completes, verify update history to confirm success, and then test critical applications and drivers to ensure compatibility. If an update fails, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and confirm you have sufficient disk space. Sometimes clearing temporary files or uninstalling a problematic driver resolves the issue. Keep System Restore enabled as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.